Hello everyone. In this video, I want to put lights on this awning. You can see there are 4 arms on this awning. So I'm planning to put lights on this frame here. Here I brought these lights. These are warm white. Here we have 4 lights. Here we have 4 arms. Here I have made small modifications in these lights. Generally these input wires will be on side. Here I have removed from there and I have fixed here so that the connection would be easy. To stick the lights onto the arm, I'm going to use this grip tape instead of this double-sided tape. This is how this tape looks. This will be little strong. Here I have installed lights to these arms like this. You can see there is a wiring. I have routed the wire above from the rod so that it cannot be visible. You can see these I have tied it with the zip ties. However, I will paint them. After painting them, it will be not visible. This is the light 2. And this is light 4. This is the final look. This is how it looks after installing the lights.